here where we are taking ride sharing and trying to get out of it by doing some day trading. Um, Simple strategy, and where my green line crosses the orange line, and then I buy, and then we make some money, and we got a nice little competition right now. My account is 1,091 paper account $1,091, and Vinny's is 1,800 and what? What was that, Vinny? 8,800 and what? 1,800
52, 52,
and
52,
52. So we have a
52.
competition of who gets to 2,000 first and to $2,000 first, and then we do it again next week before we go live. So, all right, let's make this money. The market's about to open in a couple of minutes, and the only thing that I'm usually trading is the SPY, and I'm going a little bit into the QQQ, QQQ. Yeah,
And I like to trade SPY and I like to trade Tesla. 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 Do-do-do-do-do.
but my screen, look, green line, yellow line. When this green line crosses my yellow line, that's when I make my purchase. Hold on. Make sure that's the right one. No, that's not the right one. Where's my EMA? My my VWAP. There's my VWAP. Okay. So this orange line is my VWAP.
Volume weighted average price.
Correct. VWAP is right here. Was right really close to the green line. So once I get some separation, then that's when I start making my choice. We do not trade the first 15 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. We wait for the setup.
Unless it's just too good. If
Yeah.
it's just too good and it's a solid pump, man, you're gonna make a run at that money. Hey, good morning, Buddha. Buddha. I don't know Buddha either, but good
Yeah,
morning,
no,
Buddha.
Buddha, good morning.
Ah, as you can tell, I'm starting to get my voice back a little bit.
No more chipmunk.
So, you know what? That's the kind of stuff, man, bro. You know that? Okay, it's all right. Y'all got jokes now. It's okay.
No more.
Y'all got jokes now. Okay,
Did you see?
but it's
Did
gonna
you
come
see?
back to get you,
Yeah, no, I'm gonna get sick now.
bro. Do you see Lyft and Uber both got punched in the mouth?
uh,
They both
hmm,
got punched in the mouth. Lyft got 34% punched in the mouth. See, you know what they say, bro? When at first you practice to deceive, I told y'all Lyft was going to get punched in the
look at it.
mouth on earnings, and
This
they
is
got
lift,
whacked. They got whacked.
and they cut,
And
and then tell them how they're cutting back. The
bro, so
news.
so listening to their earnings call yesterday and listening to Uber's earning call the other day, they're all it's like I tell you, bro. They got bad business models. These companies are never going to be profitable. They can't scale enough to ever become profitable. So I told everybody 2 3 weeks ago it was going to be pre earnings pump 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 pump. I hope you guys took advantage. I know some people who took really good advantage, and in about a minute it's going to pay off. Anyway,
And
Uber and
that's
now
how we.
Uber
With the
Uber
surges, tell them about the surges. How the surges
no,
have been going away.
Uber and Lyft. We've been noticing it on the road that Uber and Lyft, okay, have been reducing the amount of surge, the amount of bonus. Well, they've been saying this in their earnings calls. This is why I say to drivers, I get our focus is to pay our rent, our lights, our mortgage, child daycare, yada yada. I get all that, but you guys got to pay attention to what these companies are telling their shareholders, because whatever they're telling their shareholders, they're telling us. So they've always this is 2 quarters in a row. No more prime time. They're reducing prime time and incentives. So when you see your ride quests, that's 50 rides for $35. That's because they're telling you that in their forecast that that's what they're going to do. They're telling it to their shareholders because they got to try to keep their shareholders in the stock. Well, well, Eddie,
Yeah,
Eddie, Eddie,
I'm watching.
Eddie,
I actually had Lyft. Hold on.
Eddie, Eddie,
Yeah.
Eddie. Watch, listen, listen, listen. Cha-ching. Done,
Oh,
done,
nice.
done,
Oh, you gotta have. Hold on. Do you have the money? Ching, ching, money sign
done,
thing on it? No. Okay. You gotta. Actually,
done,
you can record yourself on it and just
done,
be like cha-ching.
done. All right, moving on. All right, so where are we at today? I want to thank everybody for joining us this morning. Good morning, Colleen. What's going on? How we doing? Ain't seen you in a minute. Good to see you here. What's Buddha? Buddha's in the Discord.
Yeah, Buddha
I
is
used,
nice.
he used to say he used to day trade also, but I would piggyback off YouTubers. You know what? That's why
Y- You learn that way.
with what
You
we
know.
ain't piggybacking off no.
That's how I was learning.
It's
That's
just
how I
us
was
talking.
learning. I was never using real life money with it. Um, I was kind of making my own decisions on it. But now it's kind of like the opposite. I kind of sick and tired of watching everybody doing it, and I was like, you know what? Let me just go for it.
Can't make money sitting on the sidelines. You got
Correct.
to get involved. You got to wrap your head around this. Headed to Orlando, girl. What you going to Orlando for? If you're gonna go to Orlando, you might as well come on down. We'll go grab lunch or something. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Well, no, I would grab lunch, but I'm just saying. Doing a little Disney vacation, Miss Colleen. Is that the deal? Oh man,
Oh, it's right at the low of yesterday's low, so it's bouncing right off of yesterday's low.
what are we talking about here?
Oh, I'm talking about the SPY. I was marking my high, my lows. Hold on, I need to get rid of some lines here because I
Well,
got
there
no.
there was a slight gapper overnight between aftermarket and pre-market. There's a slight gapper. I'm gonna wait and see what it does when it gets to that gap. Uber
And
is moving down 5% to 3404. These companies are gonna freaking crash. And I keep saying I'm gonna do this video. I keep saying I'm gonna do this video. The things that Uber and Lyft need to do to make money, you know. But unfortunately, they're gonna have a lot of problems because their business model and their debt is terrible. Their amount of debt that they have and the way that they think about things. This is what happens when you put a non-driver in front of a driver, in front of a driving company. Drivers are not happy, Dara. Logan, Zimmer, drivers are not happy, bro. And if
yeah,
they're
I
not,
thought Carvana was supposed to go out of business.
no, oh, all of these companies, oh, bro. So we had one of the biggest Bed Bath and Beyonds at Sawgrass Mills, and I had to go pick up over there by that. I had to pass by their old store last night. I didn't realize they shut that store down. That
Ooh. Oh
entire
yeah.
store is empty at Sawgrass Mills, the fifth largest mall in the country. The fifth largest mall in the country. Yep. Gone. See ya,
I put that link to all the companies that have been laying people off.
bro. It's terrible.
They've been doing cutbacks,
Yep. Sucks to be them.
you know.
Sucks to be them.
But if you guys go this route, you can actually profit out of it.
Sucks to be them. I got to start looking at. I got to start looking at contracts today. Tesla's moving pretty good this morning. Oh man, dude, I'm just happy right now, bro. I'm just happy right now. You know why I'm happy. I'm not going to say why I'm happy.
Yes,
You know why I'm happy.
I know why you're happy. Cha-ching, cha-ching.
You're happy, and clap your hands. It's because I got my voice back, bruh. I got my voice back, bruh. Almost. They just filled our Carvana up in Denver. I've been watching lifting Carvana. Oh, no vacation, just family business. Melbourne Beach. Yeah. Melbourne Beach. Ugale, right? Ugale, Colleen. Ugale. I used to when I so A lot of y'all don't know. I used to own 4 bowling pro shops. I went from 1 pro shop to 4 pro shops. Right. This was all before the pause, and I used to go bowl a tournament like 3 times a year, 4 times a year in Melbourne. It was called Satellite Beach. It's called Satellite Beach Lanes way back in the day. And yep, I know, Colleen. I used to bowl up there, man. I made a lot of money
I
at
don't
that
bowl.
Satellite Beach Lanes. I made a lot of money throwing the pill back in the day. Look at Tesla. Tesla's trying to make a run. Lyft
Yep.
is bro. Lyft might close under $9 today.
It's just that they've been. I don't know, bro.
Eddie,
That's why I see it coming. That's why I want to get out. I really, really want to get out of ride sharing.
Eddie, Eddie. Kiara says, "Hey y'all, Eddie's not reading my chats on his channel, bro. You don't want to piss off the queen. You don't want to piss off the queen. I'm trying to catch everything here. Buddha, bro,
Oh,
those
hold on. Oh,
challenges,
okay, okay. All right, Kiki, but I've been staying off the chat on my own channel because people there are just,
are they being mean to you, sir?
well, they're not being mean, but
Are they
there's
being
so
mean?
there's so many of them. So I'm trying to keep
Yeah,
up.
dog, you got it. You have to engage with your community, sir.
So, well, I'm engaging my community by telling them to go into my Instagram so I can keep everybody in one place.
Then you're gonna have to start shutting off comments on your videos, and you don't want to do that, do you?
Yeah,
Do you
no,
really want to
no,
shut off?
no.
And then with all of them banging into your freaking DMs on IG, it's gonna be like FBI, open
Kiki,
up. You don't want that either, bro.
Kiki, I don't have you in here. I have all my comments in here.
Ugale, key. Oh, hey.
Hold on.
That's
I'm
all right.
sorry,
That's all
Kiki.
right. Hey, Buddha, you ain't lying, bro. They were clowning me hard, weren't they? Wednesday night.
We don't.
They were clowning me like a mofo Wednesday night, bro. They had me all in the Minnie Mouse closet, huh? Well, I can say this without worrying about getting if they would have tried me like that, they'd have got a foot that they wasn't expecting. Let's just put it that way.
I just
Ain't
couldn't
no
help
ain't no Minnie Mouse here, bruh.
Kiki,
Are
hold
you
on.
guys
Kiki,
going to
where in which video, Kiki? I'm reading. I'm looking at my comments on my YouTube, but I don't see anything.
It's okay, Eddie. She knows
Rack
hey,
screening.
she knows who's got her back no matter what. She knows
The
I got
hell?
her. She knows I got her. But I don't like the idea that she said for now. That kinda makes me feel sad.
Yeah, so it's not it's only temporary. Okay,
Are you
maybe it's
guys going
just
to Jay's AZ Super Bowl? I don't even know about it.
me
I
neither.
don't even know about it, Colleen. We haven't heard from Jeff in like 2 weeks. I don't know what's going on. I hope he's alright, though. That's my guy. That's my guy. At Buddha, the voice sounds much better. Yeah, it's getting a little bit better today. The Mickey Mouse Club house is closed today. You got that part right. Because they got some freaky shit going on in that Mickey Mouse house.
Oh, you wouldn't believe. See, look, it's not playing
Now listen,
in my Rumble. See, it's not playing in my Rumble.
it's not playing in your Rumble.
Nope,
Rumble's got you banned.
it's not playing in my Rumble.
How do you get banned on Rumble, bro? Like they're the freest thing
I
out
got
there.
my intro. It says be patient and be positive and patient. But it's not playing. It's not playing. This is on a the watch me lose my money side.
All right, I'm gonna start setting up what I think I'm gonna see on. That's gonna be my bitch right there.
Okay, look at the pullback on the SPY. It's 8:40. I'm still gonna wait 5 minutes before I even try to decide to do anything. But this is why, because look,
I'm listening. I'm listening.
hold on. This is my VWAP right here. So this one's my VWAP. You know,
I'm listening.
I'm just waiting for it to cross over because if I would have took it going up, man, I would have just give it all right back. So now
Well,
I'm waiting for it to cut into the downside. See, my 200 is no, I'm sorry. My 200 is my white. I can't. I can't. My 200 is my white. So I'm waiting for it to pull right through, do a pullback as it does. Do the pullback and then take it on the way down. I'm also going to be maybe play the QQQ. I have $1,091 to play with, and the rules are that that's the amount of money that I can use for the day. So if I use $300 worth of money, I can only use 700 after that.
okay. Right.
Okay,
That's
of
the
it.
rule.
That's the rule.
By the way,
So
somebody asked what trading platforms are we using? Is there a monthly fee to use? No, we use Webull.
no, we use Weibo and it's free. Don't pay for anything. Paper
Yeah.
trade. Don't pay for
You
anything.
paper trade until you're ready to go, and then it's like 79 cents a trade.
Yeah.
All right, listen, Eddie. I'm just gonna let you know I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. I'm thinking about popping some spy contracts here.
Some puts.
Yeah, I'm thinking about some puts here.
I'm thinking about some puts too. It's just that my white is the 200. I gotta remember that. My white is the 200. My my red one is my 135. And or what I could do is it's looking good. It's looking good. I'm gonna grab some puts. Let me grab some puts here. Well, the puts are really cheap.
Yeah, well, it's single day expiration. That's why.
All right. I'm gonna add to my watch list.
Oh, I grabbed. How the hell did I grab the wrong put? Oh, you motherfucker! How did I grab the wrong put? Son of a bitch.
And this is
Uh,
just
Tesla.
this is
Tesla's
just
going.
a call just in case. So if anybody's watching, I don't know, somebody was Cynthia was asking me how do I learn how to trade. Um, so if it's 33 cents, but I'm controlling 100 shares in this contract, so it's costing me $32. And usually when I buy 10 of them, so it puts me at that 300. This way, I only use 300 of my account, so I can only trade 3 times. And as my account gets bigger, then I can buy more contracts. All right, I got this. And oh my God, just get out the way.
I'm also looking at Tesla puts 190. Well, I want to make sure I'm on the right puts. No, I don't want the 200s.
This
I
is
want
my
the 197.
2 minute. See this? Let me look at my 1 minute. See, my 1 minute is coming up to my 200. Gotta make sure that this, no, this is my 200 right here, my white line. So I need it to stay under my 2.
Got a little bit of consolidation here. Looks like
I
it's
have
right
to
back
change
to
these colors. 45 EMA. Hold on. Let me change the color of my 45 EMA.
I want to get these at $2 if I can.
Purple. Yeah, purple. Um,
Yeah, I want to get
let me
these.
make it more of an orange color. Okay, and let me put my 200 EMA back as red. Okay,
There
this
goes
is
Spy going the opposite direction now.
that's right. And forex. Somebody asked about forex. No, we don't trade forex. Uh, but the strategy will still be the same. If I was to be trading forex, it's just that for me it's better because this is the time zone. I think. What times does forex start there, Vinny?
Forex is 24 hours. It just depends on what asset you're trading. You can trade Forex 24 hours. I believe you can trade Forex 24 hours. All right, I got to catch up with messages. Thank you. Well, be safe wherever you will be. Yeah, Colleen. I mean, it's all good. It's all good. We love everybody. Kiki says, "Forever, Vinny. I'm not going anywhere. I just like to show support in everyone's chat once in a while." I know, boo.
Mm.
But listen, if they're gonna ignore you, you got to come back home. Just come back
Oh,
home.
here we go.
Come back home. If they're gonna ignore you like that, I mean, come
I,
on. Let's be
I'm
honest.
not. I don't. I don't. I mean, are you in my if it's in the YouTube? Um, right now I don't keep a journal. There is a trader view. I think keeps a journal, right, of your trade, so you can review it.
I don't keep a journal. I've been at this way too long. I don't bother with a trading journal
When it comes to
unless
my live account, I have to keep a journal because I want to see where I'm doing wrong and stuff. If it does happen with real money.
I
Um,
believe it. I believe if you do it long enough, you'll be able to see your mistakes and learn from them instantly. That's truly how I feel about it.
but my
All right.
journal is well, actually, well, I keep my journal, but I review my trades. So I go back to my trades, I go back to my times, and I see where I got in, what I got out, what I saw, what I didn't see, where I made the mistake. Kind of like kind of like I've been making mistakes lately, um, and they have cost me. But I think I know what I'm doing wrong. I want to jump in it really quick. I want to jump in them really quick, and I sell too soon, and I just gotta let it play out. But what I have to get used to is, what I'm looking for to just let it play out. I know Webull has a calendar, right? Doesn't Webull have a calendar? Keeps tracks of your
Yeah.
trades?
Yeah. You can go back and look at all your trades.
Yeah. Usually I review it every night. I'm not every night, every day after I'm done trading. I just kind of go over it a little bit.
All right. So I just want to show you, Eddie, where I'm at. I'm in three Tesla puts, 300 or $200 Tesla puts. I'm in three of them right now. I'm down like 5%. The market can't figure out what it wants to do yet.
VWAP, yeah, nope, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. My lines, actually, you know what? My lines are actually like very well separated
On.
on the SPY for for a call.
Yeah, I see that too. But for some reason, I don't trust the market. It's Friday, bro. Anything can happen on Fridays. Anything can happen on Fridays. That's the problem with Fridays.
So the overall
Fridays
market,
is,
I see
is
that it's
pure
it's
gamble.
it could be going up. I don't know. I just need Has it been 15? Yep. Okay, it's been my 15 minutes. It has been my 15 minutes. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna buy. I got my calls here.
All
They're
right, I'll
very,
be right back.
they are very cheap. So, okay, I'm expecting the break that is right here, which is actually doing right now. Okay, my lines are well separated. You see how my green is crossing over my VWAP. Um, where's my order? It hasn't filled. Did it fill? No. Okay, all right, my order didn't go through. Give me my 10. There we go. I'm buying. They are very cheap, so it's like they were $19, so I bought 10 contracts, so it's 190, 190. Yeah, calls, trade, calls. Yes, I see my account just, I don't know. My account is saying that I'm up, but it's actually down, so. And when I would get out is when, if a candle closes like under my VWAP, that's when I usually would try to get out. See how it's going under the view? Oh, hold on, that's the 1 minute. This is the 2 minute. See, I need my next candle to close under, need the can, I don't know. I usually wait for the next candle to close under the VWAP. Just see, I'm sorry, it's not supposed to be positive. It's supposed to be, my account's supposed to be negative. Filled. Yeah, I'm calling it. Whoever gets to $2,000, that's what we're doing. It looks like it might turn around and go the other way. Oh, dude. Hold on. Hold on. I'm selling. By the way, I was looking at Lyft a little bit ago, and that's what I just bought. I bought Lyft, so I'm in Lyft options. Such big mistakes. What's Lyft doing? Look at this. So I bought calls, Lyft going up, and I'm actually making money because I made a mistake. So I'm looking at a different chart and I'm buying to options from a totally different company. Ah, dude, this sucks so bad. This sucks so bad. All right, I need to get out. orders.
It means writing letters to our love. All right, sorry, I'm back. Sorry,
Yeah,
sorry, sorry. What I miss? What I miss? What I miss? What I miss?
I made a mistake when I bought my options. I was wondering what was going on because my account's not supposed to be positive. I bought lift options.
Okay. Did you buy calls or puts?
I bought calls, and it was good. Look, it's turning around and hitting out the VWAP. I was like, what's going on? My account's supposed to be negative right now. Anyway, now I'm in my SPY watch list, SPY options. See? Ay, Dios mío.
Ay, Dios mío.
Are these?
All right. All right. I just sold out two of my contracts, two of my Tesla puts. I'm not 1968, Eddie. Still holding one put. I don't know if
Oh,
this,
come on. Where's my SPY options?
I don't know if this is going to get me another. That's a nice trade too, man. God damn, that was a nice trade. I was in at 242 out at 281. So now we just need to see where this one goes. I'm
Okay,
waiting for the SPY collapse.
SPY. Here we go. SPY. Add my SPY to my SPY. Oh my God. Okay, SPY to my SPY. And where did my options go? It's right here. See what happens? Why you paper trade? It could have been a costly mistake. SPY. And now I want to get my.
Oh man. Good morning, everybody. Appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for this video. See you guys later. Make that money. Miss Colleen, I hope you have an awesome time while you're in Melbourne. The beaches are beautiful up there too. Bro, up there around Melbourne, Daytona area, like just north of central of the state. If you go out on the beach, okay, on the
Uh
beach
huh.
sand, and you take your hands and you dig them into the sand and you pull it up, you'll get these little clamshell thingy looking things that'll dig themselves right back into the sand. It's awesome up there, dude. Like you got to enjoy nature. If you're gonna live anywhere, you got to enjoy nature.
Oh,
If you're in
that's
the
a key.
desert, you got to appreciate the cacti and the snakes and all of that stuff. If you're gonna live here in Florida or the southeastern part of the country, you got to appreciate the gators, the pythons, the raccoons, the bears. You got to appreciate that shit,
Just
man.
don't go swimming with the gators, okay? Do not play with a python.
Ain't nobody got
You
time for
know?
that. Ain't nobody got time for that.
All
Anybody
right.
here play disc golf? Do I got any disc golf players in the chat?
Disc golf. What's disc golf?
Disc golf.
Oh, disc golf. They have that here all over the place.
Yeah, bro.
Everywhere you go.
Yeah.
But
I got a full bag of discs in there. I haven't played in a while. It's like my golf club sitting there collecting dust.
I've never played it.
Oh, bro.
It has never
Well,
caught my interest.
bro, you would love it. You would love it. Waiting for the work computer to restart. I'm still here with you guys. I'm telling you, man, there is nobody better than the queen. There is nobody better than the queen.
Okay. I'm a little nervous. Where the hell she's been sending messages because I've been trying to call. I've been trying to call. I even called her. She never even answered the phone. So payback, payback. Let me see. No,
There it is. That's what I was waiting on,
no
right?
messages. There it goes. Now this, the dark is my 200. Okay, there we go. It just passed the 200. The light red, man, I need freaking. No, no, not this one. The one that's light red. That's orange. Pinkish. Okay, great. Yeah. The dark red is my 200. This is my 135, my 45, and my 90 EMA with my VWAP. I just need my lines to look. It's crossing, but I need it to go stay under. Stay under the 200, and then I'll take that trade.
Eddie,
Yes,
Eddie,
I like racquetball though.
Eddie. Look at the screen, Eddie.
Yeah, I'm waiting. She's waiting for the work computer to restart.
No, 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 no.
Are you looking
Eddie,
at Tesla?
Eddie, look at my account detail.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
It's right above your head on the screen, bro.
On which side?
Look right above your picture on the screen, bro.
Are you cheater? He had a head start. He had a head start,
How
so the
did I
company.
cheat? How did I
Yeah.
cheat?
Okay.
Oh
I'm
my
messing
god, no, I
around.
cheated.
I'm messing
No, I
around.
cheated.
But if
Oh
he,
my god, no, I
a
cheated.
thousand
Oh,
dollars of trading money to 2,000. Damn it, cheater. Oh, watch this. I just need to stay under the two. Under the two.
victory dance. I got to do the victory dance. Hold on. Bro.
It's the first one to go from $1,000 account down to up to a 2,000 on paper trading.
All right, here's the victory dance. You ready, Eddie? You ready? Y'all ready?
Pow.
This is prime time rapping. We see what goes down. We're done here. It's a wrap. Champion, Hot just won that.
Ah! Ah!
Oh,
Ah!
let's do this.
I don't know how many people got to see the victory dance, but that's that's
I don't know.
that's that's my touchdown dance. Fucking Tesla's crashing, bro.
Yeah, yeah. He
Holy
reached
shit.
2,000. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Um, on my
Let's go
lives. Let me see.
slide dump, you son of a. Whole market just ripped. Whole market just ripped. Whole
Okay,
market.
everything's going to the downside now. I just need a pullback. There we go. I just need that pullback. Come on.
Uh, uh, Kiki liked my dance. Kiki said, I think she liked my dance. She liked my dance. And bro, quit telling people I cheated, bro. I didn't cheat. We started same time. I just told you, it's like I suggest.
Vinny's been doing it for a long time, and I
Doesn't
just saw it.
matter, bro. We got the same indicators on the charts. The thing is sometimes you have to look at other assets. Again, like I was saying with Lyft going into earnings, I'm going to say it again with Tesla. Tesla takes a little bit more of a sack because the options are more expensive, but they are the most traded asset. You get the best price action, you get the best swings. That's it. That's all it is. And Kiki, you know I love my boy Eddie. I love everybody. I love everybody. I'm an easy, because I'm easy. Mm, mm, mm. Easy like Sunday morning.
There's a 10 a.m. inflation expectations.
Well, we just went through 10 a.m., didn't
Yep,
we?
maybe that's why.
That's that was the big drop.
Yeah,
That was the drop. So now let's see if this forms into another channel. Let's see if we develop a channel here on Spy. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. All eyes on Spy.
I'm set. I'm ready to go. 402 puts.
I'm holding two 401 puts right now. Tesla down 5% this morning, 196.84.
Damn,
Holy
yeah,
shit.
I see that.
Bro, I
I
know I
see
was
that.
just paper trading those puts. I just paper traded those puts. But bro, it could be a lot worse. I stopped paper trading once I broke 2K. So now everybody who might be interested in this, next week on Monday, we'll be starting from zero, even. You'll be able to look for the thumbnails. On the thumbnails, we'll have what we've where we're at standing in our head-to-head learning competition. This is strictly for entertainment purposes. This is not financial advice. We're going to get Eddie up to speed. And while Eddie's learning, I'm learning, everybody's learning together. That's how it works.
Just buying the options was a pain for me because I didn't know what I should get into. But
Huh?
buying the options.
No, I'm.
Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna try something here. I'm just gonna buy 411 calls here. Um, it's only $170 investment. I just want to see where it goes. If it goes to the upside on my calls. So 10 of them at like 17 or 18, so it's $180 investment. I wanted to go to the downside, but because of the news, it tanked under the 200, but it just came right back up.
Yeah. Well, it's still under 200 though.
You know, on my 2 minute is on my 2 minute is it's above. You know, and the same candle that we got down, it's just as big as the next green candle going up, or almost. But I'm gonna see. If it closes right back under my 200 and it keeps going down, then I'm gonna switch my position and go to the downside. Because I kind of see like that downtrend. I see it, but
Uh huh. Oh, Tesla's definitely in a downtrend this morning.
yeah.
It's definitely trending down. It's in a channel. It's absolutely in a channel.
So my MACD is crossing to the upside. So QQQ is going up to the upside.
Yeah, Tesla's definitely in a channel. How big of a channel? I don't know yet. I got to look at it. Where we want to start this channel at?
There
Yeah,
it
right.
goes. Now, if it breaks this 406.99 level, then I might just basically pace it put it break even. So, what is what is half of 170? What is half of 7? 3.5.
I think huh?
I'm just doing the small numbers. Yeah, 3.5. Okay, this is truly unexpected.
SPY's about to fill that gap on the day.
407.72, if I'm correct.
407, something like that. I got it at 407.30, but yeah, it's close enough. SPY just filled the gap, so the gap is done. So now let's see what it does. Does it shoot up from here?
Oh, that's the 1 minute. Since we're starting all over, damn it.
No, we don't start all over till next week.
I see your continuation. What is my profit target? 170 to something. See, this is the reason why I went for it. If anybody's watching, um, my lines are shit. My lines are separated. I got volume on the way down, but the same volume that I got on the way down, I got right back up. So I'm gonna sell profits here. Sweet. So all I have is two left. I'm gonna hold on to these two. And then these two, I'm gonna hold on to on a continuation. And then as of right now, yeah, VWAP. Yep, if it closes under my VWAP, but let's see where it goes. See that? But the same volume that I got down, it just came right back up. And I was like, what the hell? Where is this gap? Yeah, it's right there. It is right.
It just
Yeah, four
smacked
seven
200.
4772, somewhere around there. Where am I? A high of 40767, 65, 65. No, 4765.
407.60. Yeah, I got it at 407.63. Same shit. Same thing, buddy. Same thing. I'm not even paying attention to the chat. What the hell's going on here? Uh,
Yeah.
I got it. I got it. Wes, what's up, Wes? What's going on, buddy?
Yeah, they actually do
Huge.
West, yeah, West, that they really are. They really are, man. The surges, they keep the surges.
Well, actually, um, I heard from a very reliable source. They kept the same take rate. So on average, Uber's still taking 28% of the fare. But yes, they are scaling back on all incentives, all surges, all quests, all streaks, all of that crap. They've said so. This is 2 quarters in a row where they said that's what they're going to do. So drivers, if you want to be honest, if we're going to be honest with each other, let me get in the camera. If we're going to be honest, we've been talking about this since we've been going live, right? And this has been what now, like 3, 4 months we've been doing the rideshare garage. We've been putting in our videos. You guys got to get ready to pivot. You got to prepare for the pivot. You're going to have to start looking at rides, and as hard as this is to say, you're going to have to stop worrying about surge and the bonuses, because lift bonuses aren't a bonus anyway. It's fair replacement. If you look at when you get a $5 bonus or a 750 bonus, right, and then you look at what they're offering for the ride in the upfront, it's a fair replacement. As somebody once said, they're paying you with your own money. So start to just stop looking for surges and bonuses. The biggest pivot you can make right now, the biggest flex you can make is start writing down or putting on your GPS on your map, whether it's Google Maps, Waze, whatever, your best spots when you're out driving, your hottest locations. You need to start marking those, and you're going to need to start working the hell out of those areas. We're all going to be in this grind mode. These companies are going broke. So if you're not out there in the right spot, you want to know the right spot, you want to know the best location to work, start marking your locations where you get your best rides out of. That's what you're going to have to do. I mean, I don't know how else to say it, but that's truth. I don't like what Spy's doing, bro. I don't like this.
I just played the lines. I just played the lines, and I did what you said. Only sell when the camera closest on the other side of the line.
That's it. 100%, bro.
And this is
I don't,
only check.
I
Okay,
don't like what
this
Spy's
is
doing.
my second trade.
Bro, I didn't even invite Omar. Let me go invite Omar to the group. Hold on.
Omar, and where's Umar? Umar, come on! I hope Umar didn't take didn't take this. Like, okay, you know what? It's consolidating. I needed to go above it and stay there. Yeah, go above it, and I need to close above this line. Or 407. I'm sorry, let me take that back. 407.65. Yeah, okay. That sounds right. Need to close above it. But yeah, day trading. From rideshare driver to full-time day trading. Ooh, that'd be so good. Just thinking
Bro,
about it, just it gets the hairs on the back of my neck going.
I got two email notifications last night from Lyft
Uh-oh.
telling me that they've completed a background check again on me. Bro, do you know how many background checks a year Checker runs on me through Uber and Lyft? It's ridiculous, bro. It's like 2 or 3 a year.
I didn't get any notifications that they do a background check on me.
I'm knocking on wood because I haven't had any type of traffic violation in like 20 years. Like I just don't I don't get, I don't get them. But I don't understand why Checker can run so many background checks on an individual in a year.
And
Because
Lyft does it automatically. Uber doesn't. Uber, you have to tell them to do it.
but what I'm saying is like, why do they got to run so many? I know they get paid every time they run a report. I'm wondering if that's where Lyft and Uber bleed money too, because every time they run a background check, that's a credit check too, right? They pull from your credit report.
All they do credit
Yeah, they do a
bastards.
credit check on your ass every time. I don't think people realize that. I don't think people realize that.
Let me make sure that
Oh man,
I'm
we
right.
were at 10. Now we're down to 4. I don't know. Did we upset some people?
We are live. Good morning. I finally caught you all. Oh, yeah, Kiki. I think my chat is not feeding into Vinny, into the trader view because I see. Hold on, let me see if.
Why is your chat not feeding into? It should be feeding into the chat. What the hell?
See that Kiki would have never said anything. I would have never realized it.
Well, why is mine the only one feeding in?
Let me see. It says Kiki. Wait, so Kiki said good morning, y'all. Hold on, where is she? That's the last one I got from her. See? Good morning. I finally caught up. Okay. Kiki, right on my right on my chat. Is she there?
She had to restart her computer. Remember, she's remote working now too.
Where is she? Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna get out of these two. My last two, I'm gonna get out. I'm still up 63% on it. Um, there we go. It's just, I don't know. It's like consolidating like right on the line. And look, I
Yep.
get out and it starts going back up. But
I'm trying to see where your chart is. There it is. I shut mine off. Let's get out of that.
ah, look at that. It's gonna continue going. Continuation. See that? And this is where I think I got out too soon. But let's see. It's just that every single time it consolidates over a point of resistance, it is kind of just like it's turning around. Plus, it's in the oversold level, and the MACD looks like it's about to start curling to the downside. I mean, not oversold, up above over here on the overbought level. So let's see. Look, I'm shaking. Look at this.
Why are you shaking, bro?
Nervous. I'm still
You
into
talk.
profit, but all right. Let me see, Kiki. I'm gonna look into mine. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, I see it. Yeah, I see it on my chat.
Yeah,
And
it's in
okay,
the chat box.
okay, yeah, yeah. All right, I see it. Okay, it's coming through. It's coming through. So it's just me. It's just me. I got
You
four
having
screens.
you,
Four screens.
you having psychological issues over there, Eddie?
QQQ is looking strong to the upside. So is SPY.
What other data did we have coming up today?
What is my SPX doing? Yep, SPX is that's got a nice little uptrend right here. See how it's consolidating right above the line? For me, it's telling me that it's about to go, but to the upside. But my MACD, see my MACD and my looks like it's just gonna
So, what are you anticipating? Break to the upside or a break to the downside?
no. I'm in between. My okay, so my lines are really spread out.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, crossed over the 200. Okay, this is my VWAP, the orange line. all right, and everything just crossed over to the upside. So I see upward potential, but my MACD is curling to the downside, and so is my RSI. See? Okay. So my trades should only be when my MACD, at least my MACD matches up with kind of like over here when I took the trade. My green line crossed over my orange line. My MACD is doing the same thing to the upside, okay? And then I just grab it and ride the wave.
Okay. I like the strategy. I like the strategy.
And then yesterday was like up. It was better yesterday because yesterday it was just like you know um my red line, which is my 200, it went right under, so I didn't buy none of this. I waited for a pullback, all right, and I didn't wait too long. I got in like right on this green candle. I'm sorry, I
Okay.
got in on this red candle, anticipating that it was going to be coming down again. And no, it just came right back up. It came
Yep.
right back up, all right, and then it dove right down to the downside. So I held the whole entire time. But see how my lines are spread out? Okay.
Uh-huh.
Not only that, my MACD, you see how it's curling to the downside,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
that's what I just did.
Wes says, sorry you had a passenger up. And think y'all saw my message about Uber robbing us on Surge.
Yeah. Well, we
Yeah,
did.
I kind of had a rant with that. I had a whole rant when I saw that. And you're right, bro. That's all I can say is you're right. It's end of the week, Eddie. Zoom out to daily, 4 hour and weekly time frames.
Yeah. I do use the 4 hours when I'm marking my lines. It's a little better. But I kind of, this is the gap fill right now, and it's coming up to a my night. It's coming up to some resistance right here. I guess you could say this is an area of. This is something Vinny would do.
Yep.
Oh, actually, I take that back. Hold on. That's not something you would do. Um, Damn it, how do I get rid of this line? Give me a lower time frame. See.
I'm just waiting for it to pop out of this channel. I'm just waiting for Spy to pop out of this channel.
There you go. No, bastard.
Coming up on 10:30.
See. All right. And now I'm gonna go back to my 2 minute. There you go. See, it's right in my area of support, of resistance. I mean. But it's like right there on the, and it's
Yep. It's sitting right in that area.
what does your technical VP, what's the VP say? Oh yeah, look at that.
Yep. So if it slides, We're looking at 406. If it falls back down, looking at 406 to 405, which is what I'm waiting on.
So, but you probably have. Hold on, let me see if I can zoom out.
But this thing could break to the upside really freaking quick.
No, where is it? It's right there.
We got a higher day of 408.11.
There it goes.
So
It looks like it's gonna go to the upside. That's my 5 minutes, and my 5 minute looks like it's flagging like right there. 3 minute, doing the same thing.
notice, Eddie, where I'm at.
Oh yeah, yeah. I can't.
I'm gonna have to go get that. I'm gonna have to go get a sound clip for that. A Fast and Furious sound clip.
Oof, oof, oof. 2 minute. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. So I'm 150 up for today, and this is my indecision. See, this is the part where I don't know
It's
what
not
I'm
giving
waiting
you any
for.
type. Yeah, it's not
Correct.
giving you any kind of movement. It's not giving you any kind of direction.
I
It's
see
just
my
not.
my volume profile, which is indicating this high volume, high trading in that area. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, that's what I. Well, I did that, Wes. I zoomed out, but see how on my see on my hourly, it's just this. There's so many lines, so many damn lines. Okay, point of resistance. See that? Okay, that's 15 minutes, 30 minutes. It looks like it's reversing on my 30 minutes to the downside. So yeah, yeah, I see like I guess you could say downward momentum. Downward momentum. I still have until what's the time? 11?
11:30 depends
11,
on.
11:30 to
Yep.
see if I can make my 2000 for the week.
Well, today you would have to swing for the big boy fences today. You wouldn't be trading SPY if you were chasing it. You'd be trading Tesla.
See, look. All right.
You got to start looking at Tesla, my brother. Once you get comfortable, you got to be comfortable.
Tesla is coming up to the 200. This is my SPY, which is coming up to some resistance here. It is under the 9 EMA, but that doesn't tell me anything. My lines are pretty spread to the upside. To the upside. My QQQ, look at my QQQ. My my QQQ, I got all my lines on there and it's showing signs to the upside.
Yep, I would agree. That's what it's showing you.
You know,
Those are VWAP.
MACD curled and it looks like it's just going to go up and continue.
All right, so then we got the next one is Euro close.
We're going to have to do some big boy money.
This is going to be the warning at 11. And then I need to set up my. I wish I could set this up just to automatically set up like this every day.
Options spy. Let me get rid of these two. No, let me get rid of my calls.
Well, we are definitely in consolidation mode right now.
Yeah.
But I'm keeping an eye on the VIX, on the 10-year, and on the dollar. Tesla is now down $6 on the day from yesterday. Nvidia is down 750 from yesterday. I haven't even looked at Uber and Lyft to see what they're doing. Lyft is down $5.60. They're down to 10.56, bro. Oh my god. I told you I expect Lyft to be somewhere close to $9 at the end of the day.
Okay, let's see now. I see upward momentum. Here's my QQQ doing it again. Tesla just broke, just was right at 200. And where is my little, see, but this is the one thing that gets me. Let me see on the QQQ, what do I have any support or resistance here? I'm zooming out, Wes. I'm zooming out. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry. I see. I'm seeing like a little bit more of a downward movement on this. QQQ is coming up to 200, and it looks like it's becoming like resistance. That's on the 5 minute. 3 minute is right there.
See, now I'm not seeing any of Wes's chats.
That are on mine.
Yeah, I'm not seeing them at all.
Richie Rich. What's going on, Richie?
My man Richie Hustle's in the house. Super Bowl weekend, y'all. Super Bowl weekend.
Oh yeah, and I think that I'm gonna be doing this. I think Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays on my ride sharing is gonna be my early in the mornings, 5 a.m. Okay, Thursdays and Fridays is gonna be early a.m.s, and then Saturday and Sunday. See, there it goes. It's breaking to the downside. Come on, just break to the downside and just freaking get it over with because that's what I see coming. Why do I see it coming? Right? Am I white, West? Are you seeing the same thing too? I mean, Vinny, you too? What the hell, bro?
I'm waiting for it to break below this channel. I'm in a channel right now.
So, you're talking about this channel. Let me see.
Go to your spy.
Hold on. I got it. I know what I know what you're looking at. Where's my channel line? No, not
It starts
trend.
at low a day.
Wait, hold on.
Which is
Where's
now starting to break below the channel.
all right? Damn it! Where the hell's my channel indicator?
What'd you do with it?
Channel indicator sees it. If you don't know what you're doing, trend. Well, trend channel. Freaking forget it. I'm just gonna do this. Oh, wow, look, it put one automatically.
There you go.
I didn't know that Weibo could do this.
I didn't know it either.
But
Learn
this
something new every day.
is this the channel that you're talking about?
No, I was on the up channel on Spy. You're in the QQQ.
Oh,
So you could have ran a channel from low of day to into this consolidation area.
oh, let me see if it works again. Here, here. Oh, see?
Yep. That's somewhat what I'm looking at. Yeah. It's close enough. Now I'm watching my Fib retracement. That's all. I'm on a 5 minute chart now because we're approaching that time. I'm looking for a breakdown to like 406. Let's see what you're doing there. Let me see if I can.
No, how the hell do I get rid of this channel? How the hell do I get rid of this channel?
Just click on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found it. I found out how to do it too now. Yeah, just click on it. Just
Uh
click
huh.
on it. Click on a
Yeah.
corner where a dot is. Okay, click on it, and you should have something that comes up and tells you to get rid of it.
Yeah. No, it's nothing's coming up.
Mine came up. All right, click on the top corner. Click on the top corner.
No, nothing's coming up. Maybe change my time frame.
It's not the time frame. You should get something that comes up that looks like a little where you could change the color of the trend or
Yeah,
whatever.
correct. That's what I'm looking for. Nothing's coming up. Nothing is coming up. All right. See, it came down to the downside. That's what I see coming. The hell. Nothing's. Oh my god. Okay, let me get rid of my VP. Maybe that's what it is. Nope.
Wow, that's crazy, dude.
Damn it, Weeble. I'm changing my mind about using you.
No, you're not.
And I don't know how to make it go away from here. Nope. There we go. Delete.
Did you find
All
it?
right, I got it. Yeah, I just hit delete on my keyboard and I delete it. Okay, bouncing off my VWAP right there. Where's my QQQ? Let's delete this baby right here. Let's go. Enter. Delete. Delete. There we go. Oh, I see downtrend. I see downtrend. 3 minute, 2 minute. I'm looking at my QQQ. QQQ is coming down. But the QQQ follows the SPY, correct?
Yes.
All right. Bathroom break. Bathroom break.
Oh man. He's gone to the bathroom. As you guys have heard, if you tuned in early enough, The first challenge is over. I happened to edge him out on the first week challenge. Race to 2,000. Start another one on Monday. We'll both start even at $1,000 in the paper trading account. Um, if you guys were paying attention and following us, I kept telling you guys Lyft was going to tank after their earnings. I hope you guys took advantage of that. I know I did. It was a nice little day today.
I'm gonna try this.
That's live money. That was live money. That was not paper trading. We're going to get Eddie into sometime. He's going to start next week looking at Tesla as well because I know he wants to, try to accelerate a little bit. So I want him to experiment with Tesla some. It's bigger cost on their options, but it's paper trading. So don't worry about it. Remember, Eddie, I'm hunting 406 on the spy. That's what I'm hunting.
Yeah.
I'd like to see it get back to 405.70, but I don't know if it'll get there.
Yeah, no, I got a little bit of I have to get better spies here for my puts. All right, let's do this.
Still haven't hit the 50% level yet. We did wick down and tweezer bottomed for a second, but the second 5 minute candle hasn't closed yet. Dollar's starting to rise. When the Dixie goes up, stocks generally go down.
I see it
VIX
coming.
is at 21.26, which means we have some volatility in the market. Come on, Spy. Come on, buddy. Come on down to daddy.
Okay, there we go.
All right, I got Spy tapping the VWAP on the 5 minute. I just wicked to the VWAP.
Mine is under the VWAP on the 2. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna reset the account anyway on Monday. The thing
Yes,
is my Q
go
my
for it, bro.
QQQ my QQQ is coming up to my 200. It's like right there. It's like it's bouncing right off of it.
And don't forget, bro, we didn't have another high volume day yet. SPY usually trades around 77 million. We're only at 17.3. It's Friday. So it is what it is. Fridays are those tricky days, man. Those are those tricky days. A lot of people close positions.
Okay,
A lot of
I am
options.
in. Hold on, I am in 10 puts.
10 puts of what?
10 puts. What are they?
I
Oh,
see it.
they're very cheap. They're very cheap.
402 at 22 cents.
At 22 cents. Let me buy another 10. Oh, that's
Just
why.
be
Because
careful, bro.
I chose the wrong ones. That's why.
We're bouncing off VWAP. Right at the bottom of the channel, too. I needed to break below this channel.
Yeah, and the reason why I'm getting in is because today is the last day of the challenge. So
Come on, buddy. You're not out yet. I,
technically, if okay, real money, I wouldn't trade. I'm up for the day anyway. So I wouldn't trade it. I wouldn't trade it. So this I'll be
you'd
out.
already be done. You'd already
Already
be
be
done.
done. That's
Mm-hmm.
it, done. I would have been doing the dom.
Mm-hmm. Dom. Do the Dom. Ah. All right. We're getting right at. I'm starting to see a little bit of a rollover.
Yeah, that's
I
what
need to,
I'm.
I'm on the 5 minute chart. If you look at your VWAP, you're starting to see your VWAP roll.
Uh-huh.
Your 9 EMA should already be rolled over. Your yellow, well, your 1 minute and your 5 minute chart EMA should be rolling
All right.
over.
I just bought another 22, so it brings me in 460. I would never be able to do it anyway. There you go. It just broke right through. I just kind of saw it coming too. Okay, and now I got my two lines here, which is this support and resist this support here.
Yeah, dollar is spiking.
See, and I don't want to right now. I don't want to. What do you call it? Um, revenge trade.
Why? You haven't lost any money. You can't revenge trade unless you lose money. Damn, Dash is all the way down to $58. Jesus Christ.
There we go. It broke right through. Is it gonna bounce right off? Just past the 200. Come on, go into my box.
Remember I said
Go into my.
406? Remember I kept saying 406?
Yep, it's like right on it. It is right on it.
Can it break 405.80?
406 is what I'm walking right. Actually, that's what I have. 406. 406. 406. 5 minute. There it goes. 2 minutes. I'm right under my two.
All
Damn
right.
it, I'm a little
On
jealous.
on the February retracement, we are now approaching the 78.6, so it's in the golden zone. If it's going to buy up here.
So, Obi, yeah, I'm done with ride sharing. I'm trying to be done with ride sharing. So, basically, I follow some lines and some indicators, and if I believe the market's going to go up or down, that's how I make my trades. I have this one little rule where my green line crosses the orange line. That's when I start making a prediction, kind of like this right now. Me and Vinny have this challenge of turning $1,000 of paper trading into 2,000. Whoever can do it in in a week, I guess in a week, or the fastest.
No, the first one to 2K.
The first one to 2K. And the idea is to make it competitive, but like abide by some simple rules.
Yep.
Um, before we go live, before I go live with money.
Got to watch SPY here, man. Got to watch it like a hawk. The February retracement has it back into that golden zone, that buy zone I told you about.
Come on. Oh, did it close?
It's a big hammer candle here. But we're setting lower highs. So that's what we're looking for now. What are you on there? Which candle? Which time frame?
I was trying to sell 10, but it didn't sell my 10 when I was into profit orders. Here it is.
Obi wants to know how he can get started. Is there a recommended site or app?
download Weeble, download
Use
the desktop version. Don't
yeah,
pay for anything.
use Eddie's link. It's in the description.
It should be in the description. I put everything in there. Uh, Download it. Okay. Watch a couple of videos on how to set up, Weeble and stuff, or just pick
I
one
have
of the
one.
ones that they have in there.
I have one. You can just
So,
you can link it into your description when you're done. There's how to set up Weeble.
put this freaking this is really bothering me. It won't close my position.
Click on your position. Right click on it. Click the where your sell order is. Right click on it. Hit modify. No, listen. All right, now you see where it says your price at, what you got it set at
Yeah,
26.
yeah,
Click on that. Click on the red thing. Yep. Click on that. I hit last price. Modify, and you'll be able to sell. So if you're ever in a position, it works the same way. Live money, paper trading. If you're trying to get out of it, and you're there it is,
okay.
just went. You can do that with live trading or paper trading.
Yeah. See. All right. So I'm not in anything right now. Okay. All right. So I need to make sure that I keep my SPY here. QQQ looks like is it's under the 200, so I still see downward momentum. But that's it. I'm done. Vinny won. Vinny won. We're gonna start Monday. We're gonna start Monday again. Um, $1,000 paper challenge. Who can get to 2,000 quickly? But follow,
So
of course,
so I'm gonna
not
do mine here now. I'm gonna do mine here now, so that Eddie can't say I cheated again, because he always says I cheat. You know, he says I cheat. I don't cheat. So everybody can see, right? This is what I ended the week with 2028. Okay, you see that?
Mine was 1261. But hey, by the way, it was 1,000, 1,300, all the way down to 700, and then right back to 1261. I have this three trade rule, so I can't trade no more than three times.
There it is. You see it, Eddie? I've reset my account to $1,000.
All right, let me see.
Okay, I don't want to hear no crying.
Where is it? 1,000. Okay, I'm gonna reset mine too. I'm gonna reset.
I want to see it. I want to see the $1,000 reset.
There you go.
Let me see your P&L. I see it. Okay.
Yeah,
So
well,
now
my
we're
P&L
even.
is still there. My P&L is still 170 for the day.
Okay.
Oh no, it just raised.
Thank you. That's a reset.
All right, so next week we're gonna start the whole entire thing. $1,000. Who can get to the $2,000 at the fastest? Um, Following the
Ah!
little strategies. Mine's gonna be kind of like I call it the VWAP bounce, but it's just my green line crossing over my orange line, which is my VWAP. There are other indicators in there, but that's how I started. I put all these other indicators in there, which came after. And let me save this.
I mean, Eddie, if you're not comfortable with that, you don't have to use that. They just support what you're doing.
Yeah, correct, correct. But it's kind of like so what I was thinking, because I can't shut up. So I can have my 135. I'm not really using, so I can just keep it this way if it's pretty spread out, and then I can just put it back in later.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, let me save it.
Oh, sugar.
but everything is better in the mornings. In the mornings, early. And it is 10 o'clock. We're 11 your time, so big boy. All right, everything is reset. All right, we're done for today. Hey, Obi, yeah, just do that, Obi. Just download it. Okay. Yeah, Vinny said he's got something, YouTube on it. All right.
Hold on. I'll put it in the link. Hold on a second before you go anywhere. I'll put it in the link here.
Just set it up, and then I'll go through how I see options. You know, I'm not gonna go really deep into the options because I don't know. All I know is that if it says 0.42, it's 42 cents, but um there's 100 shares in this one contract, so it's gonna cost me 420.
All right.
Sorry, $42.
So if you follow that link, it'll take you to a channel I started that I haven't really done a lot with, but it's there, and I've got some videos up on there. So you can look at basic trend lines, support resistance, and how to set up a Webull trading chart. So you can go there and you can check it out. And then if you have any questions, just let us know. Eddie just lost his camera.
I did not. What are you talking about? I'm still here. I could just do a disappearing, reappearing. See that I'm
Uh-oh.
fast. You didn't see me. I was just like, and I came back.
This guy.
Oh, that's it. See, look, green line crossing over the yellow line. Now I'm anticipating that it's gonna go up in that direction. So since the candle closed above, then I will make my purchase somewhere around this candle, which is a 2 minute candle. And now I'm expecting it to go to the upside. But of course, I will only do this in the beginning of the day, because in the beginning of the day, once it chooses a direction, then it just goes in that direction. Today, see, I was expecting it to go down. It didn't, and it turned around went the other way. So um, I didn't make money going this way, but I made money going this way.
All right, Obi, listen. It's not about going all in. It's about learning to trade, and it takes time to learn. It's not like you can just, it doesn't work that way. Now, you might be that guy. You never know. But I would definitely paper trade for like 6 months, man. Like, seriously, there's so much to this. Trading is the ultimate chess match that nobody ever wins. Because at the end of the day, where human nature, emotions, logic, all that shit goes out the window because we don't control the market. We just play in it. So if I was going to say the first cliche, the trend is your friend. That's the first cliche.
And you're going
And
that the
never
odds, and you're going that with the odds are that it's gonna go in that direction,
probabilities, right?
and the
Probably.
probability that's going to go in that direction. So if it doesn't, that's fine, because all you want to do is be, let's just say, 70% out of, 3 out of 5 trades, you want to be right. And the other two, you lose a little bit because it didn't do what you predicted it was going to do.
Hmm.
Kind of like right now. My line crossed over the yellow line. My candle closed above my orange line, or my yellow, orange, whatever. All right. And then I will hold on to it in anticipating that it's going to keep going up. And then I take my profit as it keeps going up. On the downside, if my candle closes, let's just say in this area, then I would sell. Or if it comes down here, or if it comes down here, whatever. And then just minimize your losses.
That's it.
It's some pretty
Got
cool
to keep
stuff.
it. You got to keep
We
it
will.
all in check, bro.
All right. See you guys on Monday.
All
No more
right, y'all.
trading.
Hey, y'all stay safe out there. Remember what I said about ride sharing, bro. Don't count. Stop looking
Oh,
at surges. Stop looking at bonuses because they both companies have said in their earnings call that shit's going away. Really pay attention to your rides. as Steven and Jeff have put out videos already. We see it in Arizona. Uber is simplifying the details. So instead of seeing the separated distances to and from the pickup, it's all combined. So total distance now is in the upfront details. Stop looking at surges. Know your hotspots. Start recording your hotspots. That's the best thing you can do. I'm going to put a short video out on this a little later. I'll get it out tonight, today. All right. Key, thank you, baby. Thank you for joining us.
See you, Kiki.
Everybody, Obi, Wes, Richie, who else was with us today? Colleen, everybody that joined us today, man. Buddha, Buddha.
Wait, Buddha, 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 is he on my channel, Buddha? Buddha, are you on?
Austin
Damn it.
Simplified with new update. Have you been out today?
Not yet.
Turn on. Oh, I'm just curious. Turn on your app. See if you get a ride request from the House and X. Just turn on X for a minute and see if you get the simplified update.
Oh yeah, no, I already got it. I got it from 2 days ago. I thought it was just because I got reduced from a diamond down to a whatever. I thought
Right.
that's what it was.
Well, wow. Then they're rolling that shit out quick. Let's see. I don't have it in my inbox yet. I don't see it yet. I don't see it yet.
But it started. See, I thought that simplify was basically the because I reduced. I lost my diamond. That's why.
Ah, yeah. I don't have it yet. Well, I don't know. I might have it later when I turn on the app. But
So
just like I said, man, start logging in your strong spots because they're going to make it harder and harder for us to make money. That's
all
all I
right,
got.
guys. Peace. Oh, are we giving the ebook away? Who's getting the ebook? Who's getting the ebook? Nobody's
That's
getting the
not till
ebook.
Wednesday, bro.
Oh, that's
Everybody who
not till
joins the
Wednesday.
Discord, it's not till Wednesday. We're not doing the ebook until Wednesday. You're just trying to get my money because I kicked your ass this week in trading. I told you, bro.
Yeah.
I am going to cash app you $10 to pay for the two ebooks, and we're going to give two ebooks
You
away
can't pay me for $10.
to
Did you
two
not see? Did you not see how much money I made last year?
bro. You left me hanging. You left me and Kiara hanging on the goddamn chat.
I did. I went to sleep. My CPA sent that to me, and I'm looking at it, and I'm like,
How? So you made that. I don't want to. We can talk about it when we end this. Let's end
yeah,
this.
it's
Let's-
not just
I'm
ride sharing; it's
definitely
everything
curious,
together.
yeah, but I'm just curious. So
So by the way, my ebook says 100K a year, which you can make 100K a year. But if you make if you put time and things into like making money with affiliate or an ebook or anything like that, you make a little bit of extra money. I just didn't think that I made that much of little extra money.
oh boy.
And I
All right.
almost reached my goal. Anyway, peace. I'll see you guys. See you Monday,
All
8:30,
right, y'all. See y'all
unless I
Monday.
lose electricity or something like that.
Look for random lives over the weekend if I'm out driving. I still want to do that. So
3, 2, 1.
I